Yeah, got his food. Got his food. Mama. Yeah, we're doing laundry, my baby. Yeah, he's eating Taco Bell. This is food today. Look, taco. He got Taco Bell. He got the stick one. Oh, here. Here, Mama. More? More? Mama more? Mama more? It's Mama more. Mama more. I want more, Mama. I want more. That's Riley food. Taco Bell today. He's picky. He's very picky. And he got stick. Taco stick. Yeah. It's my eating food. Stand up. Nabilis eh. Want some? Want some? Okay, here. Mama, more. More? More? More, Mama? Okay. He eat more. Okay. More? Yeah, more. One more? One more? He's eating. Okay. Let's tired na. Oh, God. Okay, Mama. Okay. Okay, Mama. Okay. Okay, Mama. Okay. So we're here at the laundry. We do laundry today. See, right, Kaka? You're doing laundry, right? Yes, Mama. I do my laundry, my panty, my underwear today. I'm doing my laundry of my underwear. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah, Rai Rai? Rai Rai? See?